Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG TV via Bluetooth. This is the LG TV that has WebOS. So let's first put these earbuds into pairing mode. You'll notice in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. And I don't get a blue, 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 blue. I get a solid green light here, and then mine turns off. No problem. I'm going to manually put this into pairing mode. There's a little button here on the back of the case. Press and hold until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, ready? Press and hold. Now keep holding for like 6 seconds or so. Just wait until it blinks blue, blue. Still holding. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's try to shoot over to the TV. Go directly to your settings if you have a settings button on your remote. If not, just navigate to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote. And you want to navigate wherever the gear icon is. Okay, on this LG model, it's on the top left here. So let me go down. Okay, let me select it. And now the settings is highlighted again. Let me select that. And you can see it's moving. From here, left pane, we're going to go down 1 to sound. We're going to select it. Now we're going to go down 1 to sound out. And currently it's coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound out. From here, we're going to go down to use wireless speaker. Select it. Select Bluetooth device. Now, if you go to the very bottom here, you see that little spinny thing right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, which is about 30 feet that is near me, okay? And it did find a LinkBuds already, so let me just highlight that. Let me select it. And it says connecting, and voila, it says connected. It says connected up there as well. And there you go. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these earbuds, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.